Hi, I'm Todd Allen, the Zoneline trainer for GE Appliances. This video shows just how simple it is to install the all-new Zoneline UltimateV10 vertical air conditioner. This includes the UltimateV10 chassis, Insta platform, quick install plenum, outdoor grill, a power connector, and the thermostat connector. Before starting the installation process, check to make sure you have the minimum clearances that are recommended for your installation and that the wall opening is correct for the new quick install wall plenum. The installation process starts with a wall plenum. Determine the required depth of the wall plenum by measuring the rough opening and adding a 1/4 inch to the measurement. This will be the required depth for the wall plenum. If the opening is less than 7.5 inches, no adjustment is required. The new wall plenum is expandable to work with wall thicknesses from 8 to 15 inches thick. If an adjustment is required, refer to your wall plenum instructions on how to make the adjustment. Locate the RAV AL3 outdoor grill and loosen but do not remove the 4 screws as shown. The next step is to attach the grill to the wall plenum. Align the heads of the screws on the outdoor grill and push through the keyhole slots on the outside half of the wall plenum. Check that the plenum is square and tighten 4 screws to secure the grill to the plenum. Apply caulking to the wall and framing opening as indicated here. Once caulking is applied, install the plenum and grill assembly into the wall opening. Secure the plenum using field supplied screws through the 4 provided slots in the plenum flange front face. Once the plenum is secure, apply caulk to the bottom of the plenum at the seam between the inner and outer halves of the plenum, running the caulk 3 inches up each side. Seal the outside half of the wall plenum to the outside of the building along the perimeter to ensure a watertight seal. Locate the Insta platform. Note the configured notches for the drain to come out the left, front, or right side of the drain platform to allow for different install conditions. Install the field-supplied primary and secondary drain fittings and piping to the drain platform. Be sure to properly install plumbing with Teflon tape and glue as required for each connection. The primary drain pipe will need to be approximately 12.5 inches long to extend beyond the platform, and the secondary drain pipe will need to be no longer than 8 inches to provide easy platform attachment to the wall plenum. Install 2 2x4 supports into the Insta platform. The length is determined by measuring from the floor to the bottom of the wall plenum flange and adding 3 inches to this measurement. The Insta platform is now ready for installation. Align the platform with the plenum, holding the drain platform at approximately 15 degrees as shown. Slide the drain platform into the plenum and slowly rotate the drain platform until the front support meets the floor. The drain platform should be level in all directions if installed correctly. Shim as necessary to achieve a level condition. If the bottom of the wall plenum is more than 18 inches off the floor, a cross brace must be attached to the 2 support legs as shown here. Run condensate line to building interior drain line with proper venting. Using 2 people, lift the UltimateV10 unit and slide it onto the Insta platform. The unit and platform are self-aligning with a Posilock system, ensuring the unit is engaged with a gasket. Remove the junction box cover from the UltimateV10 chassis and locate the thermostat connector inside the junction box. Connect the thermostat connector to the field-supplied thermostat cable. Use the instructions included with your thermostat to determine proper connection to the thermostat connector. Once connections are complete, plug in the thermostat connector to the chassis. With branch circuit power disconnected, use the round knockout hole at the top of the junction box to install conduit coming from the branch circuit. Leave 8 inches of wire free from the end of the conduit. Install the appropriate power supply kit for your installation. Use these charts to determine which power supply kit is required. Note, 18,000 BTU models cannot be used on 15 amp circuits. When the connections are complete, plug in the power connector and the personality plug. Note, 15 amp connectors do not have a personality plug. Reinstall the junction box cover that was previously removed. Install the field supplied ductwork. Install the filter. and your Ultimate V10 is ready for operation. Let's review the process. Adjust the thickness of the wall plenum if needed. Attach the outdoor grill to the quick install plenum. Install the plenum and grill assembly in the framed opening. Prepare the Insta platform for installation. Integrate the Insta platform with a quick install wall plenum. Place the Zoneline Ultimate V10 on the Insta platform and push until it is locked in place. Install the thermostat connector and plug it into the chassis. Install the power connector and plug it into the chassis. Attach the ductwork, install the filter, and you're done. It can't get any easier than that. We're here to support you. For information on this or any other GE Zoneline products, visit us at zoneline.com.